Today we are going to solve this equation to find a and b. Solution: a plus b equal to 6. This is equation 1. ab equal to 36. This is equation 2. Now we are going to find the equation 3 from equation 1, which is a equal to 6. We are bringing this b right hand side, so minus b. This is equation 3. Now substitute this a value in equation 2. A is 6 minus b times of this b equal to 36. So now multiply this. 6 into b is 6b minus b into b is b square equal to 36. Now bringing this 36 left hand side, 6b minus b square minus 36 equal to 0. Now rearranging this, minus b square plus 6b minus 36 equal to 0. Since this is a negative, we are going to change it by multiplying with minus. So b square minus 6b plus 36 equal to 0. Now we can apply the quadratic equation here. So we'll get here a equal to quadratic equation for that 1, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 36. We are going to find b here. B equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac by 2a. Now b equal to minus into minus 6 is minus into minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 36 by 2 times of 1. Now b equal to minus into minus is plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 times of 1 is 4. 4 times of 36 is 144 by 2. Now b equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 108 by 2. Now b equal to 6 plus or minus square root of, this can be written as 36 times of 3 times of minus 1 by 2. Now b equal to 6 plus or minus square root of, this 36 can be written as 36 times of square root of 3 times of square root of minus 1 by 2 times of 1 is 2. b equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6 times of square root of 3. This is square root of minus 1 is I by 2. Now we are going to take common here. This is 6 common here. We are going to take 2 common. b equal to 2 times of 3 plus or minus 3 square root of 3i close the bracket by 2. This 2 cancels this. So we have b equal to 3 plus or minus 3 square root of 3i. b1 equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i. b2 equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3i. We are going to substitute this b in the equation 3. A equal to 6 minus b. This is equation 3. So a1 equal to 6 minus open bracket 3 plus 3 square root of 3i. a1 equal to 6. This minus multiply minus 3 minus 3 square root of 3i. Now a1 equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3i. This side a2 equal to 6 minus open bracket 3 minus 3 square root of 3i with bracket. This 6 minus 3 plus 3 square root of 3i. Now a2 equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i. Now we have a1 b1 equal to 3 minus 3 square root of 3i, comma b1 equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i. This is the one. a2 b2 equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i, 3 minus 3 square root of 3i. Now we are going to check this equation. Equation 1. Check a plus b equal to 6. Now we know the a value here. 3 minus 3 square root of 3i plus 3 plus 3 square root of 3i equal to 6. This cancels this, so we have 3 plus 3 equal to 6, which is 6 equal to 6. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify with this equation. Now AB equal to 36. Now A equal to 3 plus 3 square root of 3i, 3 minus 3 square root of 3i equal to 36. Now we know this formula that a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square formula. We are going to apply this here. So we'll get 3 square minus 3 square root of 3i whole square equal to 36. This is 3 square is 9 minus 3 square root of 3i is minus 3 square equal to 36. So this cancels this. So we have 9 minus 9 times of minus 3 equal to 36. Now 9 plus 27 equal to 36. 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS.